Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today I'm super excited. I have a Hey What's New Dollar Tree video to show you all, and this time they did have quite a few new items. My Dollar Trees have been lacking lately, but I found some new items, including those notebooks I just showed you, and these little Play-Doh, almost like cookie cutter, little cookie cutters for Play-Doh, whatever you call those. Super cute, different shapes. I also found these deck of cards that you can get, and they have these really pretty patterns on them. They're just playing cards. That's pretty cool for $1, I think. And they did have a few different designs, like feathers, some stripes, and then on the very bottom I did see another couple patterns as well. They had these really cute little fish tanks, and the little fishies inside of them grow 400, it says 400% larger than they start off as. It says up to that amount. Those are super cute. There are green lids for the fish tanks and pink, and honestly that might be kind of cute in a fairy garden maybe. I don't know. My Dollar Tree had a whole bunch of these, like for your bathroom, door hooks. And I've seen like Bargain Bethany use these for DIYs. Super cool that my Dollar Tree is getting a whole bunch of those in, or they have rather gotten a bunch of those in a whole bunch of different varieties. So I'll have to maybe think of something I could use them for. I don't know. And then I saw these flashing LED wands. They're in the color red is all I saw. That's kind of cute. It has a little wristband that you can put on your wrist. They also had what they're calling a cell phone case. Doesn't really look like a cell phone case to me, but it would work and it would probably keep your phone nice and safe. Not sure how good the clasp would work in real life, but they had different varieties, like little smaller ones and the larger sizes. And then I saw that they have a 4-in-1 stylus pen that also has a laser. That's pretty cool. My DT got these flour sack towels back in. They had these ones during the fall last year, or maybe they just brought them back out, but these are super cute just to have or for DIYs. I love the one that says I really like you, or that one is super cute as well. Their bags. They had some really cute bags. I was looking at the plaid, and that is super cute, but then I saw the kittens and the cats. Oh my gosh, in my mind, nothing beats cats with glasses. That is super, super cute. And of course, I dropped one, but I did pick it up. I've never seen these lip glosses in the little flamingos, I don't think. And then also these little bags were new, and once again, I dropped something and I picked it back up. I was just having a hard day when I went, I guess. And I've never seen these lip glosses in the shape of a lip. And these that pin is new, and these little coin purses are new as well. They had a whole bunch of different ones, like cupcakes, and I think I saw a donut in there, and the watermelon is super cute. They had these really cute notebooks that say free hugs with cactuses on them, or cacti, I guess. And they also had the pineapple and the unicorn phone chairs. Super cute. I found these magnetic photo pockets, and this is all in like the impulse buy section. I love those garbage cans, but I just don't have a use for them, but they're super cute, and I have seen those before. I've never seen these stickers. They had a few different varieties. They all have like different little sayings on them, and they're super cute. Definitely something to check out. Now this is adorable, especially if you have kids and you want to send something in their lunchbox, little notes. Super, super cute. And then I've never seen these keychains. They have sparkly like sequences on them, and they're super cute. They have different designs. I'm sorry I didn't get a very good image of them, but there was like a narwhal and all different kinds of animals. And these eyeglass cases are really cool as well. They feel like leather. I'm not sure if they are, but they had a whole bunch of different designs. Super pretty and really cool if you have glasses. I'm not sure if these are new, to be honest, but they are these Sure Fresh containers with a vent on the lid. So I think that's pretty cool for a buck. And they, of course, had different size containers, different shapes. They still have those little cute angels in, and this is just right at the very front. I saw these, they're little plastic trees with like a little trinket tray at the bottom. These are pretty cute, kind of different, but for a buck, maybe you could use that in a DIY, who knows? And these are really pretty as well. I'm not sure if my DT has had these in before, but I have seen other people see them, and they're like wedding little trinket trays with different sayings on them, so that is really cute. And this little cactus just sitting all by itself, I had never seen before, but it was super cute. And then I've seen all of that before. These erasers are so adorable. I love the little kitty, of course. I believe this display of lip glosses is new, and they have like sweet cherry and different flavors. And then I've never seen this LA Colors Lip Balm, and you get 2 in each of those. I've never seen these breath sprays before, and they had 3 different flavors. I believe that first one is mint, and I'm not entirely sure what the other 2 flavors were, but it is something new at my Dollar Tree. I don't know that my Dollar Tree has ever gotten these little mini games in. They have Guess the Celebrity Name, and one for movies and the 90s, and Family Feud, so that's kind of cool for the family for a buck. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to find these calendars. Some of these have such pretty images, and here is just an overview. I didn't want to go through each and every calendar, so here is what they have in the calendars, so you can get an idea of like which one you would want to get. And then that one comes with a 2-pack, so lots of different beautiful designs there, and you can also use the images for DIYs and other things. You don't have to use them like a calendar. That's what I intend to do. And this is a gigantic calendar that has like a spot where you can write in it and everything. You can put that on the wall. I think that's really cool for a buck. And here are the different designs that you can get in that one. Also found these 2020 planners. They had a couple different designs. I saw butterflies and this really pretty gold, white, and black. I've never seen these washi tapes. They were in like the school section, and you get 180 stickers it looks like, and those are super cute for like a classroom or just kids in general. My Dollar Tree finally got the box of fabric in, and they have some really cute designs. I'm not sure if it is like a great steal for fabric. I know that like for Joann's and Michael's you can get coupons and get pretty good deals that way. But just in a second I will show you exactly how much fabric you get. But for maybe like a smaller project, this would be perfect for you. So you get 20 inches by 21 inches. And this was really interesting. These are glass pins, so you can write on glass, and I saw red and purple. If these work, that would be amazing for a buck. There's no way that you could buy these for $1 anywhere else. They had some new notepads and sticky notes in some really adorable patterns, really fun patterns. So definitely something to check out. And I've seen these stickers before, but I do think they are worth mentioning. They're really cool as well. They had some fancy pins, those gigantic pins on the top, and then those in the middle that are ballpoint pins, and then the ones on the bottom I believe are pencils. Here are some stickers that I've never seen. They're for like planners or whatever really, and they're pretty blank so you can write on top of them. And here's just an overview of all the stickers that my Dollar Tree has in right now. And that's where I'm going to leave you all at. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. It really truly does mean so much. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderfully perfect day. And if you would like to see more like this from me, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.